Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and recover deleted Telegram messages. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. You can actually attempt to recover deleted messages by using the undo option immediately after deletion. However, you could also go ahead and try checking your saved messages folder or even restoring from a device backup. So in order to go ahead and do that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on settings and then simply go ahead and look for your data and storage and check for backups right over here. If you don't find it, let me just go ahead and look for it real quick. So simply go ahead and click on settings, tap on saved messages, and this is where your cloud storage or your forwarded messages are normally saved. If it is not available there, then it is very hard to undo. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.